You guys wouldn't really want me to show you how to make the Ultimatrix, would you? I'll take that as a yes. So you want to start by taking some 3mm craft foam, and if you don't have craft foam you can just use cardboard, but you cut a rectangle with a little dome on it, and then that'll fit right around your wrist, and the dome will go on the back side of your hand. So then just take an old juice cap, you just want to make a line on the foam, and then cut out that circle. And that should be about the same size as the juice cap that you measured it with, but you want to make it a little bit bigger, so just cut around the circle again, making it just a little bit bigger so you have some space between the edge of the foam and the juice cap. So then cut an identical piece but add the 3 little sections at the bottom. That'll fit right over the black one. And you can use any color for these because they'll be painted later. So I'm just using different colors so you can see how they fit together. So then going back to the juice cap, cut an hourglass out of a circle of 3mm foam. And then you'll just hot glue that right on the top of the juice cap. And then take a strip of foam. You just want to glue that around the hourglass piece. You want a little bit of it to stick up just above the piece of foam with the hourglass in it. So then just take a strip of foam and you'll glue that around in the circle of the bigger piece there. You can see where the hot glue is there. And then your juice cap, the bottom of your juice cap should fit right into that circle once you've got it hot glued in. You can either leave it up and then you'll be able to push it down. Just like that. And so then you want to take some really, really thin pieces of craft foam. Still 3mm craft foam, but they're very thin strips. And these are for the little pipes or whatever they are there. The other thing that will work good for these would be juice box straws. So once you get those glued in, just cut off the excess. You'll put on 4 of those. Then you just want to paint each one of those kind of a limey green to kind of make it look like they're glowing. If you have a neon green, it will work even better. And then the circle, you just paint metallic gunmetal gray, just like that. And then the base of it, you'll just paint a green color. So then I took some silver puffy paint and I made a little ridge at the end of each of the little pipes. I did it to all 4 of them. And then back to the juice cap, I just painted the bottom of that black. And then once that was dry, I took some of that limey green and I painted on all the little designs. Just like that. And then I took some neon green puffy paint and I filled in the hourglass with it. Just like that. And then finally did the edge of it with some metallic gunmetal gray. So then that fits into the circle and the grays match up when you push it down. And so then to make it wearable, just take some sticky back velcro and put 2 pieces on the top side of one side and then put them on the bottom side of the other side, so you can just wrap it around your wrist and connect the 2 pieces of velcro together. And so there is the finished Ultimatrix. If you use neon green paint on the hourglass, it really does look like it's glowing, but you can also just stick a finger light on the inside if you want a little bit of extra glow.